Round of 32, here we come. Bafana has qualified out the group for the first time ever. Bruce, you have changed us. Street. Matala, you have changed us. That's why I never doubted you. I never gave up on you day one. I've been attacked. I've been everything. But I stuck by your side. Yo! Okay. That game. I'm happy. For once, Williams wasn't dilly-dallying on the ball, trying to build up from the back, play sneaky pass. No, I'm happy. Got the ball, route one football. Let Makgopa fight for the ball aerially. Even though Kim Jae-min was obviously more dominant aerially, but it's okay because Makgopa was there, trying to give me a little bit of trouble. At the back, Okon and Mbogazi, damn it, those two had a performance. Solid performance, winning very crucial headers when the ball was crossed into the box. Very crucial. Mutau, I keep saying better than Hakim. People doubt me, better than Hakim and Mutau. Like, that enough said. Modiba, yeah, had a mixture of a game. Modiba, he couldn't get forward too much because, Korea is dangerous with the wing play. So that's why they kept set back. They were pushed back quite a bit. Sutole, brilliant performance, man. Brilliant performance. After that match day one, I'm sure that things were heavy on your shoulder, being attacked left, right, and center. But today, brilliant performance. Also, Mbata next to him, very good performance from the two. Don't know if they were playing a double pivot or what was going on there, but yeah, they were just workhorses in midfield and put in a shift, especially Sutole. Sutole put in a shift. Maseko, hey, first half, my brother, you're making me stress. But he had so many chances to bury this game first half, leaving them missing. But luckily, you punished when it mattered most. You punished. Mufokeng, brilliant. What a game. Brilliant game, Mufokeng, in the pocket, the number 10 role. But once or twice, I felt like maybe he should have a shot earlier on, trying to find an intricate pass. But Mufokeng played well. I was jealous. Now, Police was a little bit flat. Decent game, but Police something, I don't know. It was not make sure Police. And he was often isolated. I don't know why. Mahop up front, he's just our focal point, winning the first balls, just being a problem for the defense, dragging the defense all over the place. So Mahopa, decent performance, not the greatest, but decent performance. Muremi impact player. See, Bruce, perfect sub. When things are looking, the opposing team is looking tired, you bring on speed. And you saw what Muremi delivered. He come on, very pacey player. They're already tired. He's gonna make them run. It's hard for me to think because we're through to the round of 32. I find my fan is qualified out the group. I'm too happy to even think properly. Man, we'll speak later. Hey, let's go celebrate.
Yazi nadlala ngathi nesira. Nadlala ngathi nesira nokwa nama security. Noma umkhulu beni baba security. Hayi bafana bakithi. Hayi. Bafowethu, ngicela nje kuyimayo South Africa yonke. Sisinike nje namhlanje mahla. Ngakhokha umuntu ngancengwa umuntu siqhumisane ngeDonkipiri siqhumisane nje without no matter of thinking, without no matter of talking. Qhume nje iDonkipiri for a day celebrations bafowethu. Yabona yenza holidays lento nje namhlanje nje bafowethu. Nami ngumthetho akekho umuntu ekufanele futhiswe ekseni namhlanje sangwena kufuthiswa umuntu namhlanje akubhekwa isikhathi ngisho umuntu angena ngo12 ephume ngo1 angena ngo1 ephume ngo2 bafowethu namhlanje holidays. Bafowethu yazi bafowethu hayi asilele mjondolo no sleeping allowed bafana bakithi siyanqaba bafana bakithi cha ngeke bafana imayo za South Africa amantombazana e South Africa ngicela njengomthetho simayeni sonke bonke ngisho laba abayimaya bona laba abashaya idayisi labo bemayiswe nabo ngisho laba benza self service abayiservisa ngokwabo abayimaya ngokwabo they mind them in their self nabo abamayiswe for the happy moment of the world. Sijabulile mfowethu sijatshuliswe bafowethu sinikwe nje bafowethu without no payment, no proof of payment. Sinikwe bafowethu sijabulile se happy moment. Bafana bakithi ngeke sicela nje ukumaya in the peace time. Ngepeace wenziwe ne holiday phelile bafowethu. Bafana siyakhona. Yabona manje ngifuna iFrance, ngifuna iBrazil, ngifuna konke sokunquma. Ayikho team esasatshwa manje. Ayikho team no never sike manje. Alisekho kuvalo. Not allowed. Ayinzi ngingaba ngicethuzela. Phathe
mjongele jikelele uthapelo siyamtha jikelelo shaya mago jikelele. Bafana. Congratulations Bafana. It is a beautiful day to be South African today. I believe we can win this thing. Remember, every time a country loses the first match, they tend to go on and win the World Cup. If only we believe.
Congratulations to Bafana. History in the making. Today is what we witnessed, guys. For the first time in history, we're headed to the knockout rounds. We're so proud of you, Thapelo Maseko. You ate that, king. You go versus the entire team. Rele, my boy. History. Woohoo! Go
Bafana! Bafana! I'm afraid siyabonga. This is about the battery. Dangos, thank you. Can you believe it? Yo, Bafana. Listen, firstly,
They played this song when Bafana Bafana got their final whistle against a team that we thought we weren't going to beat, Korea Republic. Listen, guys, we did it. We are through to the round of 32. Listen, it's going to carry on for another week, maybe 2 weeks. And as Mva said, maybe we're winning this World Cup. Listen, guy, he's thinking too much. But listen, we're happy for the team. Congratulations, Bafana Bafana. Hugo Bros, respect, brother. And we are through.
I mean, it's a Friday without singing. It's a Friday with Malayazi and Salvo!
Yeah,
We did it, y'all! Wow, guys, we did it!
Yeah.
We did it!
Yes, like it.
Dude!
Yes, like it, bro. Literal chills all over my body.
Yo!
Just like it.
Guys, it's 13!
Did you guys cry a little? I cried a little. It was insane.
I had a tear in my eye.
Are you overreacting?
No!
It's only crying, I can understand. But
Yeah.
you
She didn't even watch!
Didn't you watch?
Excuse me, I've got work. Shit in the news.
Yo,
It was
out in motion.
It's another story, dog.
Straight to the facts. Let me just hype this up a little bit.
So Bafana Bafana, congratulations to the team, congratulations to the technical staff, congratulations to Hugo Bros and Helman Mkelele. History was made today.
Yeah. And God comes in the studio and says, guys, we can win this one. We can win the World Cup. Sammy says to him, hold up, Jeff. Hold up. This is not Kaiser Chiefs.
When I come through with Kaiser Chiefs energy, it's like, you see, now, Baba, we can face Ronaldo tomorrow. After that, bring Messi. After that, Mbappe. Yeah. Yo, what a moment. What a day.
It's fantastic. Obviously, history's been made 16 years later since we last appeared in the World Cup, and we're through to the knockout stages. Round of 32. The work starts now. The work really starks now.
The work truly starts now, and you know what makes today absolutely amazing is that Nemali Akingenile, it is payday. Oh man, we had to bang down the doors with a classic and iconic tune in South African music. Umandoza when Kalakata. Are you saying after the World Cup when they blew the whistle, they played what?
Yes, Sipho Hustix Mabuza.
Wow, burn out.
Could you believe it? Why that song?
Probably someone said, which song comes from Africa?
What's an African song? Why did they skip past Tyler? Tyler.
Oh, she didn't even make the World Cup visuals when she's saying the national anthem. Who's that?
Who there? You know what I mean? But outside of that, everybody good? You good, Candace?
Oh my god, I'm so good. What do you mean?
Oh man, we're amazing. You good, Oza?
Yeah, I'm outstanding.
Dota will always make us happy.
And Dodger will always make you happy.
Candace was so excited. She sends on the group, our WhatsApp group. Guys, we just did it. We did it. South African flags trophies. I said, what? Did the Springboks win?
I chuckled at that. You were like, what's in the
I
pocket?
said, okay, let me turn around. Just go put my Bafana top on quickly.
I had my pants on and my shoes ready. And I'm like, I'm waiting for the final whistle
which shirt
before
you gonna wear?
I finalize the shirt I'm wearing.
Where's the faith?
In the spirit of Bafana Bafana, because yesterday when I wrote this racial alignment, I wrote it with a mindset that I hope we win, manifestation that we win. So I was panicking. If we lose, I was going to come behind the mic and be like, you know, life happens. Hear me out, bestie. Go to the
Hear me out.
Zanzibar, you good?
Good, guys. How are you? I don't know.
Who scored the goal again?
Is it Tapelo Maseko?
There we go.
You're well on your way to becoming a fan.
Now you're a fan.
I have to know that. That's the name, though.
MPA, you like him?
I'm good. Good morning to the team in studio as well as our listeners. I believe we will win it. Every time a team loses the first match, they tend to win the World Cup. So I believe Bafana will do the same.
We Argentina.
Loser! Come on!
Candace, I'm so patriotic. I'm with you, but hey, let's behave.
No, but guys, did you watch how they played?
Yeah, no, we saw
Not
it.
so much about the scoring per se. Yes, I know it matters.
Yes.
But come on!
You know, the boys are doing their thing, the passing and
Yes,
everything.
like it.
But, yeah. Whoa. So how Ronaldo was playing.
And we were missing key player.
Because we're scared. Doesn't he have 2 yellow cards already?
No, you were suspended.
No, you can't play this one.
Play
Yeah.
this game. But now it's all those cards are expunged. We got a full squad again.
Yes,
Thank
he's
you.
on his back, right?
Yeah, so we
Nice.
got everybody back.
Simba,
Come
Simba.
on. All right, cool. That's probably the longest link you'll ever hear from us. Welcome to the show. We got an amazing show coming your way. It's a Thursday, so we're going to throw it back every now and then. And we got to share some joy. Our great friends out at Salati are joining us just after 7 o'clock. We're definitely going to tell you what that means for you, because if it brings some sweetness your way, it definitely brings some joy our way. 15 after 6. Welcome to the best side of the mornings. It's Best Mornings.
Yabantase esana ndingomnye wabo bantu bebebukela iBafana Bafana then ke ngoku kufuneka ndihambe ngoku ndiye emsebenzini. But guys, I am so proud. Ngaske ndibathatha abantu asendibabeka apha. Niyakhumbula la scene where uZwide uye wahamba wayemfazweni no I think noShaka wayemfazweni noShaka, and then babuya ke ngoku bewinile. Yaqonda athi awusilondisele noMahlanjana nibadudule kanjani. Yo, ngaske ndibabeka apha, and then ke ngoku abantu asekube kwiwele kuchazwe kuthiwe ke ngoku omunye futhi obe yiqhawe umzilikazi athi umntana kadadewethu. I am so proud of abantwana bodadewethu sala. Anyways guys, have a good day. Masambeni bethuni sizaba productive emisebenzini. Yabelungu. Bye.
Ngibula izinqe iqiniso bafana bakithi. Uma uzobuka lama match amathathu sesiwadlalile uyibeke eceleni lekade sidlala namhlanje ekseni bese ubuka le eMexico uphinde ubuke le eChecky u45 minutes wakhona. La ama match akubeka ngokusobala ukuthi thina kahle yini besishoda ngayo sonke lesikhathi ucoach ebenenkani ukuyenza uthe mayenza lento besikhala ngayo sonke iningi angeke ngithi iningi ngisho ukuthi sonke kodwa iningi belikhala ngayo kwacaca ukuthi South Africa idlala lephi ibhola kwacacela nomhlaba ukuthi South Africa kahle is a football nation. Hayi bafana bakithi umfukeng bafana bakithi imyekeni bafana bakithi ngiyengibezwa abanye bethi siyam overrate umfana siyam overhyper kodwa ucaca ukuthi bafana bakithi anilazi ibhola manje sathi umfukeng siyam overrate kuyacaca ukuthi nisadinga ukucathulisa ngebhola noma mhlawumbe umona oniboza amehlo nenza impumputhe bafana bakithi umfukeng bafana bakithi uxamuka dedelwa inja nomfana lona udlala ibhola elikhulu kakhulu bafowethu eyabona leya pass le Aniel Moremi eziyoshaya iassist kuMaseko. Hayi shembe. Hayi ngeke bafana bakithi khohlwana lana bafana bakithi. Kade ngasho ngathi khohlwana bafana bakithi. Naba bemqhathanisa njengamanje sebagunya amathe baze bagunya ngisho nolimi labo ababemqhathanisa ngalo. Hayi lo mfana ngeke bafana bakithi.
Liyeke ibhola liyekile. Lento yokuthi umntana uyi-strike ekumele sinqindele ama-defend ukuthi angakhuphukezela uvela akhuphuke awashiye kodwa uthola u4 ama-defender eKorea abona isidingo sokuthi asikho into esiyihlalele angumahopusela phambi kwa-18 umbone clear ibhola elishayelisale udlaliye kubani nihleli nani
athanda ukuthi ngifuna kuthiwe ngisebenza kanzima.
Hayibo
Bambi irole yakho.
mfethu noma kuthiwa uyamaka musu uzojump usetalayo
Uyistrike yakho. Uyistrike yakho.
Uyistrike
yakho. Goalkeeper uyalibamba lebhola ufuna ukwenza counter attack. Ucounter ngobani ungekho wena?
Andibongathi uyabheka namhlanje amabhola kaWilliams. Ubeba ulithi ibhola.
Ngabe uyu makhopho utholakala laphana mude une strength
amabhola phezulu kumele ngabe wina wena mafisha
wonke amashayina ngabe
2 enye into kumahopho amayenza sekuthiwa ke uyamakala akama umahopho akayi man to man mekumame maka ufike ethimbiliza nje lapha phambi kwakho ethimbiliza nje ethimbi ngeke ungibukise kabuhlungu ibhola lo
Kodwa ngeke section ayizofana uMaseko bafana ayikukhulile manje ukhulile and labo fele bangaye basamiyeka ke ngeke asabuyela le angithi bamlonile le
bamlonile
manje makuphela lapha
Hey.
Vele bathi pre-season phakathi asayo la.
Hey kodwa naye uzikhiphe ngeparula bese ngimbophe ngamqeda ngenhliziyo.
Hayi bebesho wonke umuntu.
Yo,
Hayi. Yabona la uzikhiphe.
mama ngiphethe amabhola awone umfukeni. Hayi. Kunebhola elibanjwe uWilliams. Labo 80 something noma besubona angazi.
Cross. Cross. Ushilo naye. Ushilo naye.
Hey,
Ushilo naye.
yabona lela china ubanje lithe ikhanda liphakame lela bhola lithi. Izandla zika lo phela bezithe. Oh uNkulunkulu emkhulu walibaba.
Ushilo naye.
Yabona ke masike sanquma iCanada. Phela iself confidence iyakhula. Masike sanquma iCanada. Second noma ngaletha abani noma ngalethi iArgentina.
Akaphinde uRupert athi bafana nanquma iCanada elinye imiliyoni.
Bazoshaka ukubhuza isikhwama labafana uzobona.
Bafana nanquma iCanada elinye imiliyoni. Ngiyakutshela.
Mana ke ngishashana neCanada umkwena uzobe khona.
Ya akubheki lokhuza isuspension yakhe le.
Yeah.
kuCanada uzobe khona. Manje udlalile kona lokhu nako yazi. Usithole.
Hayi uzigezile.
Hayi udlalile.
Phela into edala usithole simthethise kanje. Ukuthi siyawazi ubest wakhe. Asinikeza wona kuliya AFCON ya 2023.
Awudlalile.
Manje
Udlalile.
and siyazi usanelinye iclass asangalaphepha more than le.
Awudlalile.
Yeah.
Ayikho ukuthi uphethe umfana oclean, eyombatha clean.
Ayumbatha
Ayombatha clean. Ayombatha clean.
Hayi umnandi. Shanda kwandaba.
Ayombatha clean. Clean umbatha. Oh, ulamthuthu lokwathi sim card yakhe yena ise USA angazi noma seyilandile. Ulamthuthu. Awukhumbuli bembuza bathi hey ifone yakho. Wathi my sim card is in USA angitholakala angazi noma seyilandile.
Hayi.
Ulamthuthu
Hayi kukwenza uma combination ka Okone nolokhu njani. Hayi.
Kakho nombokazi.
Nombokazi. Mfana kidayi.
Kodwa futhi ungezane. Yabona ungezane lento ayenze. Ayeke le thuba lale World Cup. Uzikhiphile amathumela esquad. Uzikhiphile. Ungezane huyo ongafunanga ukudlala le World Cup ngokomthetho. Phela ungezane walimala. Bamncenga bathi yenze operation uzoshesha uphole. Wathena akayenzi operation.
Udla umhlabelo.
Udla umhlabelo. Akubona akho.
Hayi ku-Okone hayi. Hayi yazi very cool.
Akakhohle.
Hayi ngamsindo.
Akakhohle. Manje into engichaza ngayo ucompliment uMbokazi kamnandi. uMbokazi ufike abe yisigora aqine enze neni ufika athi clean up.
Seyiqine yaqetha inkulu.
Ufika athi clean up. Akafika afana futhi nabo uMbokazi ukuthi
ufuna uqina nje exactly. Ungabi element eseyikhona.
Ungezana push up nayo ufuna ufika ngempela uthi push up but
ngizofika
mina ngifika mina ngiyacleana ngiyanika labayana bayiphambili.
Ibhola lakhe lifana nelikandala.
Phela.
Ayena usayifuqa.
Hayi. UMbokazi ufika athi gudu makathi liphume ngapha bese nombani sekulungile. Sekulungile.
Ikhehla lizakudida. Yazi ngeke lathi ngeke ngathi makubona kuphakama uReyners. Ithe makhopho awuzuzophuma umhlale phansi. Hayi kanti nansi into engingayithandi leyo kufaka uReyners striker right? Mama ufuna ukufaka uReyners bheke esinye striker ozoskipha than ukuthi ufaka uReyners la bekungadlala khona usibilibili. Uthi angithini mina ngosibilibili ngithi kushuthi lento bengeke ngiyenze.
Lento yokuthi mhlambe sebone imbobo kuma defender labantu usefuna ukuya nga 2
ne
strikers. Lapha kana chance kumele keep one of his midfielders or defenders.
Okay baba manje uMaseko.
Maseko.
Umaseko mkhiphi.
Sabo ya.
Umaseko umfuke ngophume kwangena ba.
Mina lento lena ngibona.
Kodwa ke umfuke ngophume kwangena uAdams
uJaden.
Nayo right nayo
Mnandi.
hayi
Mnandi.
Okuhle manje ukuthi asina injury at the moment.
Yazi ngizwe i-interview yakhe uRonwen athi sine future ukusuka manje.
Ungizwe?
Bathi sine future ukusuka manje. Wathi labafana they are 19, 20, 21, 22. Sine future ukusuka manje.
Uthi le experience abayithola manje
izoba inkingi ukuya phambili. Yabona ukhulume njengokapteni.
ya futhi njengomuntu omdala
Wathi ngiyekeleni mina sengibhugile. Lapho sizathi kushinje na 31.
uthi ngidondolozela ngekhe bafana yimonqumo yihlo
I'm proud to be a leader of this group.
ya I know
Yabona kule group solo bakhona ba-achieve.
no akube yisunday ukume eCanada emva kwaloko noma ngenze Argentina for sa
Ngitshela kahle.
lethani nomini manje
Siyagagamela.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. Mzansi is celebrating ukuthi Bafana iwinile. Guys, ishaye 1-0 against South Korea. Abantu abaningi, they are really excited, but history has been made. Sana bajabule ngendlela lesimanga. Bathi nje Bafana le isendele kona ekukhulu kakhulu guys. Kambe siyobabona ngani Bafana baseMzansi. People are happy, people are celebrating. Banda bakalali or waiting ukuthi kushaye 3 babukele iBafana bagqwala imigwaco. Bantu ba celebrate babongata ukuthi winile Bafana basekhaya. Yo guys, this is so amazing. Bese yoba inhlekisa uDukwemazayizayo mangaba zange siwine namuhla. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.